This week we are in London doing trial 3 taste panels. We are investigating seasonality and lamb gender. London is a key location for premium quality Welsh lamb and felt it was important to be down here. Over this week we're going to have had 160 consumers come and taste lamb here at the University of West London in Ealing.
Very nice indeed. Different flavouring for different. Some are better than others, as always. But on the whole, it's quite nice, quite tasty.
It's a nice selection of different lambs. Don't eat lamb that much, but I might eat more in the future. Yeah, very tasty actually. I'm glad I've taken part.
So far it's really nice, very tasty.
As part of the taste panels, we work with the consumers and give them a presentation involving the nutritional and health benefits of Welsh lamb, and also looking at the environmental aspects of the way that Welsh lamb is produced.
We use Welsh lamb at least once a week in our cooking, and Welsh lamb goes really well with Iranian and Middle Eastern recipes and dishes because it gets really succulent. Our dishes are sort of day-to-day dishes. We have lots of lamb stews with different vegetables, and it just melts in the stew and melts in your mouth actually when you eat it.
We've met a great range of people and had a fabulous week, and hopefully the results will be in shortly.